Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Tim with Irvin. Welcome to another week idea. Today is August 25th, 2019, making today a Sunday. Just wanted to let you know, please follow us on Facebook if you haven't done so. And just to give you a disclaimer for today analysis, which is August 25th, 2019. Not a financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking for great idea to squeeze hundreds of pips out of this market. And also I want you guys to please consider downloading my Forex hours into your mobile device, which is gonna give you all the local time of the market, showing you opening opportunity and real charts as well. So there's plenty of information in there, which I highly recommend everyone. Another great application that everyone must have in their phone is my Forex book app. This app will tell you how each pair that I'm going to be discussing on this analysis may be subject to change based on the news that are going to be released this coming week. So you want to know more about the news, this is the right app. So please consider downloading this app. All right, let's get to our chart today. Today we're gonna be analyzing USDJPY. It's right here, right on the right hand side, and I'm analyzing it on the 4 hours. Based on this pair here, guys, I do see here that we have a continuation of a bearish, even though that that our triple arrow is here. But as everybody know, everybody's talking about a market crash and so on. So please pay attention to this pair. It's still a continuation of a bearish, and probably it's gonna retest our AA line. If you see here on our all the indicators that I have here, let me go back here. See here we had the ADX, we got a crossover. The momentum is flat out, is sitting on the 20 line. And then we have on the MACD, we have a nice crossover, and there is 2 bars in there, kind of like a strong bars showing down. And then on the TWE is still showing as a bearish, but look at right here. Someone sent me this indicator, Renko, I think it is pulling down. So it's still, it confirmed the trend still down. So please pay attention to this one, okay? So the market on this one, based on my analysis, is still bearish. The next pair that I have, guys, it will be your USDCHF. On the USDCHF, what we have here is we have the triple arrow pointing up. So triple arrow is one of the best things that everyone must have on the chart. So based on this one, I do see that it's giving us a pullback shortly that is gonna retest our triple arrow low, which is sitting on the 0 Fibonacci line. But the trend is a bullish market. All right, so please pay attention to that pair. The next pair that I have for you guys is the USD CAD, the Canadian. So on this pair here, guys, look at here. What do you guys see here? It's the triple arrow. Let me change the color of this one. I don't know why I have it in magenta. Let me see if I put it in blue, a light blue. There you go. It's better to see it. All right, so I do see here that I had the triple arrow pointing down, and yes, there is a red dot right on the top. So it's sitting in a strong confirmation, as to be pulling down as a bearish. If you also pay attention, everything is stating us that the market is pulling down. It's a crossover on the ADX, then the MACD has a nicely crossover pointing down, the bearish, and the TWE is also giving us a bearish signal. So please pay attention to this one. Whatever I'm telling you guys today, please analyze it on your chart and understand the concept of how I come up with this idea. If you don't know how to do it, there will be some description on the bottom of this video, and you are more than welcome to send me a message, and I will be more than happy either to show you one-on-one, even if I had to record a video just to make sure you master the triple arrow system. All right, the next pair that I have is the AUDUSD. Again, it's on the 4 hours. This pair here is giving us a bullish market. Here's the triple arrow system, and it's trending between the 0 Fibonacci line and the 38 Fibonacci line. So it's doing a consolidation. And what do you see here, guys? Look at here, the super easy SR it just showed up in there. So that one is telling us the market still now is time to do a pullback up. So since it's a bullish market, so it will go ahead and continue the way up. So the goal is to go ahead and retest our previous high here, which we got the daily dot. So, and here's the triple arrow again. So we may looking at all the way to that particular area, to our 100 Fibonacci line, equal to 0.70920 take profit. All right, so please pay attention to that pair. It's very important in my opinion. But I just want everybody to please pay attention, guys. I think this is a great thing if you do the analysis on your own as well. Now here on the NCD USD, we have on the 4 hours, we got the big arrow, then we got confirmation on the 4 hours. On the daily, we don't have anything on the weekly yet, but what I'm seeing here is forming a bullish market. All right, look at here. So it's forming here, but it's still gonna do a small pullback because we got the red dots showing us on the 4 hour. It's still gonna be room to drop a few more pips, maybe another 50, 60 pips, who knows. But what I'm seeing here, guys, let me point the vertical line. See here, we got a crossover on our MACD pointing us, giving us a confirmation of the bullish market. There's 2 bars in there, and then we got the TWE pointing up. Yes, so based on this, the market, it will be a bullish market, but please consider to analyze this market on your own. Okay, so don't just take any trade blindly. Do your own thing. Any question, again, I'm free to answer any of your question. The next pair that I have here, guys, is the AUDNCD. On this pair, I'm analyzing on the 4 hours. As you see it here, look at here, AUDNCD. What do you see? A really nice triple arrow given us, and look at how this triple arrow is a beast, guys. Look at here. As soon as the triple arrow appear, boom, it gave us what, 40 pips. If you would have taken your first profit on the 61.81 Fibonacci line, you would be in your profit. Now is what it's doing a pullback. All right, so based on this, my goal is to go ahead and retest this high area here. And from that particular area, yes, it will be a continuation of a bearish market. So it may come up all the way to our 38 Fibonacci line. So please consider analyzing this pair. If we pull our vertical line here, what do you see? We see starting a crossover on our ADX. Look at what the MACD is showing us. It's showing us a clearly crossover. Look at the bars is pointing down. So yes, it's the triple arrow is an accurate arrow. Here's the TWE giving us a confirmation of the bearish, and then the other new indicator, the someone just dropped it in our chat room, is also confirmed as a bearish. So guys, I think this is one of the best week that we're gonna have. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask.